Who's Sam Beats?
Welcome back to the table. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed the little fitting video there of the Easylights provided by Skip Built RC. Go to Skip's channel, check him out, press the subscribe button, press the bell button. Literally, the fitment of these lights literally took sort of 10 minutes, if that. It's something you could probably do on the field, so you could buy the box, take it to the field and literally stick them on the flying field. It will take 10 minutes. They are fantastic, really bright. I like the sequences, and it's really added an emphasis to this big cub. Now, this has been sitting stagnant for a while. I have flown it a few times, but it is waiting for some scale work to be done on it. Got to clean up the inside of the cockpit. We've got all the detailed instruments in there, and one other thing that has been waiting on, some of you might have seen before in the videos, is the dummy engine. I've got this all done now, all detailed. We've got all the HT leads there, spark plugs, the whole caboodle. The motor sits inside. Now, to have this fitted, I managed to match it up to an early FMS version. It was a version 6 P51, maybe an earlier one, but that motor mount fits perfectly with the motor that I'm running, and it sits nicely inside. Now, it all matches up, the length comes out right. The only problem I'm going to have is we've got nearly 8 ounces of lead behind the cowl to balance her on CG. That's as well as having a 3300 up front. So I need to figure out how I'm going to add 8 ounces of lead to the inside of this motor mount, and to the back of this little panel, which is what the motor mounts up onto. Now, once we've got the motor on the front of it, we'll add all of the framework, and we'll disguise the ESC down underneath here where the panel is by putting a little radiator grill for an oil cooler. That's about sort of all I can think about to disguise it. But anyway, like I say, we're going to keep this short and sweet, guys. Thanks again for the light skip. They're fantastic. I'm glad I got around to doing this evening. As you can see from the outside videos and walk around, they are really, really bright. The camera doesn't do them justice, really. So hopefully we'll get this out over the next couple of days, and hopefully we'll have a nice sunset, and we can fly her into sunset, and hopefully the lights will show up nice on the camera. So again, thanks very much, Skip. Go over to Skip's channel, check out Skip's channel, subscribe to him, tell him I sent you, and that's it, guys. Thanks again.